Today is the last day of 2 months syllabus completion challenge, and after this tomorrow will be another challenge. I know this looks very weird. Why are you not like just literally continuing with another challenge? Well, listen, actually. Oh, why am I? What's wrong with my camera? Does it like this? Yeah, here I go. So technically, you know, our challenge is coming to an end, and yeah, I mean, this is not the end though. We are still doing a lot, much greater. I mean, wow, dude, we have done lots of stuff. So why should we give up? We shouldn't be giving up. That's why we'll keep moving. All right. So yeah, let's start off. I mean, I wanna not waste my time because tomorrow is my exam and I really wanna prepare for it. So yep. Okay, this will be here. This will be good. Oh. We're getting heated up with these questions, so yeah. Also, yeah, I forgot to mention this. I think we're all hit 2 more subs in this month. Thank you very much, guys. We just need one more sub, and then after that we only need 15 subs, 1-5. After that, yes, we are literally gonna get hit 100 subscribers. We can do this, guys. Okay, we cannot give up. We are not gonna give up. We can do this. All right. So yeah, let's start off with normal. What should I put it here? Okay. I don't have much time. I'm just practicing some questions like normally and casually, but there's one chapter left for better revision, and after that we're gonna do it nicely. Okay. So let's just lock in. Okay. Now it's time to fully lock in. We gotta ace this exam nicely. Let's do it. So overall, I think yeah, we got the answer. We already got the answer. Yeah, that's fine. Here we go. I need another question, dude. This phone got switched off. Wait a minute, guys. Please charge nicely. I need a nut cushion, man. I'm just waiting for my phone to switch on again. Just wait a minute, guys. I'm trying my best to do as many questions as I can. Then we will start off our main part. Right now we have to lock in nicely so that we just don't waste a small single amount of time. Uh-oh. No, don't do that. Why is this phone not adjusted properly? What? Dude, charge! What the hell? Bro, what's going on with this charger? No, what the hell is this? Alright. The photos are blurred out. Never mind, it's back. Okay. We have one question. Cos A minus cos B the whole square plus sine A minus sine B the whole square is equal to 4 sine square A minus B by 2. Minus 2 sine A minus B by okay. A plus B by 2 dot sine A minus B by 2 the whole square plus, we gotta do this as fast as possible, like we have very less time now. Overall we need to do this for overall very less amount of time. So I'm excited for it. Alright, we got this answer too. We are cooking, guys. Um, okay. Okay, alright, wait. Okay, we got a sequence and series question. These questions are decent, though, by the way. These aren't that hard, but then, yeah, we gotta be really careful with this one. They're a really good level, by the way. Oh, yeah, this question. I cannot forget about this one. Where is that question again? I did not. I forgot where. Yeah, okay, good. Find all pairs of consecutive odd natural numbers, both of which are larger than 10. Okay, so we have x greater than 10, x plus 2 greater than 10 again. Alright, then such that their sum is less than 40. Their sum, that is x plus 2, is lesser than 40. This will be x lesser than 8, by the way, and this will still x plus 2 greater than 40, or that is x plus 1 20. So x is lesser than 19. That's what you mean here? I mean, let's try solving this again. Have to be gentle with this one. Okay, we got this one. Then this will go here. X plus 1 minus here, so it's gonna be this. So x is overall greater than 8 but lesser than 19. I got the open interval. So based on that, what should I do next? I have to find the pair of consecutive integers which are odd. Okay. The next condition is that it could be also between 10 and 19. So what we can do is, first of all, we will take here 11, 13, 13 and 15, and this is 15 and 17. I think that's it, because I don't think so there will be more than 19. We cannot get about like 19 and value here. That's not possible because x is lesser than 19, so it cannot touch 19 here. That's for sure. What about this one? We'll find that out too. Okay, so x could be here 9 and 11. So overall, and here it's gonna be like 11, 13, 13, 15, 15, 17. What I got the answer is four of them, like 9 comma 11, 11 comma 13, 13 comma 15, 11, 15 comma 17. That's what I really got about based on that. And what else? Also, I noticed that the moment they give really good level questions, they also give give an OR question, which is a very big advantage for us. So we don't need to worry about that, or we don't need to bother much about it. But then, yeah, we have to be really careful at the same time. Then we will try this question from permutations. What is it, 37? 13c4 plus 13c4 plus 13c4 plus 13c4. It's like 13 factorial divided by 4 factorial. Now this is combination. Oh yeah. If it is combination, it will take forever, man. It'll take forever because combinations will also add 4 factorial as r. Oh yeah, I cannot forget that. So this is gonna be 9 factorial plus 13 factorial divided by 4 factorial dot 9 factorial plus 13 factorial dot 9 f dot 9 factorial plus 13 factorial divided by 4 9 factorial. Oh my god, there are many of these. Oh shoot, I don't know whether I can do this. Let's check. 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 factorial. Let's try this. We are gonna put this as 4 multiple, okay, divided by the 4 factorial here. So 3 factorial here, 9 factorial will get cancelled out. This will be there and this will get cancelled out too. Then this is gonna be 2 and this is gonna be 1 overall. So what do we exactly get? We get 26 into 11, 110, my bad. 110, and that is 110 into 26. 6 0 0 6 1 6 6 2 12. Sorry, 110 and 26, right? So 6 0 0 6 1 6 6 1 6 2 0 0 2 1 2 2. Okay, 2860, guys. Let's go 2860, which is pretty much saying that yeah, you are safe with this method. Now, in how many ways can he select all 4 cards from different suits? Oops. Or we can just look into the textbook. We'll get some idea because this question is identical. But yeah, I got the answer, but I want to check that out, whether I'm correct or not. So we'll have to do that one chapter too, guys. So yeah, it's gonna take some time. But then the advantage is we are revising our topics, so it's gonna be very helpful for me at the same time. Where is it? I mean, it's not given here. You know, wait, no, which chapter am I at? Permutations. I'm looking in other chapters. What am I doing? Oh, my bad. Oops, I went more fast. Yeah, I got the answer correct. I got the answer correct. Yeah, I knew it. There was going to be something crazy here. So 13 C1 C1 C1, got 13 C1 here too. That is 13 factorial divided by 12 factorial plus into 13 factorial by 12 factorial plus 13 factorial by 12 factorial into 13 factorial by 12 factorial. That should give us 13 here, 13 raised to 4. And how much is 13 raised to 4? Well, let's find out. So 169 into 169, that is 9 9s are 81. 9 6 are 54. It's gonna be 62. 9 1s are 9 5 1 5 2 1. 6 9s are 54. 6 6 are 36. 9 6 1s are 6 9. What am I doing here? 169 169 here again. 9 9s are 81. 9 6 are 54. 62 here, so that 9 1s are 9 1 5 2 1. 6 9s are 54. 6 6 are 36. How much is 6 6 are 36, guys? 6 6 are 36 is, I mean, overall 41. 6 1s are 6 is, yeah, okay, that's 10 here now, and then overall 1961. Okay, and we are supposed to get 6 here. 15 8 28561. That is correct, I feel. 28561, and yeah, that is fine, that's correct. C4. That's only 12C4, right? Yeah, shouldn't be like. Then 26C2 into 26C2. I mean, that is 26 factorial divided by 2 factorial, huh? Into 26 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 24 factorial, and that's 24 factorial. By looking at this, we should be getting 13 into 25. Okay, wait, is it saying? Okay, then that's fine, 13 into 25. 169, 625. We'll get a big number here. 9 5s are 45. 9 2s are 18, and that is 22. 9 6 are 54. 5 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 2s are 12, and that is 15. 6 6 are 36, 37. 5 2 6 plus 5 2 16. 13 15. Okay, you're doing great. Okay, 105625. Did I mess up? Says what? Yeah, okay, got it. I got it. Oh, okay, no. I thought I did it wrong, but no. I really does. So overall, we can do this paper. We have a lot of potential, but we need to do much better. That's what I can say. We can do much better. Bro, what is this? What kind of pose am I making? I did not notice that at all. Let me change that. Bro, what kind of pose is this? Oh shoot, what the hell? No, this does not look at all great. Yeah, I'm fine. For some reason, my camera just froze. I don't know how. Why? I don't know why it does that, but yeah. So, third term of GP. AR squared is equal to 5. a dot ar squared ar dot ar squared dot ar raised to 4. 10? Oh my god, that's a lot. Dang, that's a lot. Five raised to 5. A raised to 5. Okay, we got it. Wow, never mind. 5 raised to 5. Yep, we got it. How much is 8 factorial is equal to mu 5 factorial? So 8 factorial divided by 5 factorial. 8 into, no, never mind, 40,320 divided by 120. Cut this out. How much is this? Let's just get the value. 12 3 to 36. Okay, I think it's the last answer. That's what I can say for sure. I'm getting that already. And 43 12 again. Okay, I think that's certainly, yeah, I got it. It's for sure 36, my bad, 336. Here we go, and there's one last question which I really need to solve. NPR, n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. You want, wait. What is NPR again? 336 r factorial is equal to 56. So, looking at this, r factorial, how much can r factorial be here? 336 divided by 56. There should be some certain value here. I don't know what's the value of this one though. Wait, 336 into 5. But then, we not get the value of that specific thingy. So I think I should open the values. That's better. Yeah, that's a better option then. We'll try. So NCR is n minus n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. And NPR, and this is r factorial, by the way, and this is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. This is 56. This is 336, and this is 56. Oh, okay. No, wait. Still confusing. Wait. What's the value again? I have to find the value of n. That's what I have to do. And it's r factorial. So r factorial divided by 56. R factorial is equal to 336 by 56. Oh wait, this is confusing. Yeah, that is confusing for sure. How are we supposed to solve this? MCQs are tricky, by the way. We need to be really careful with the ways we are gonna do. That is tricky for sure. Okay. Okay, I got the answer for this one, but then there are really tricky questions. After these tricky questions are solved, it gives me some confidence that yeah, we are capable of it. But we need more development in order to become really good in this. So yeah, I mean, I'm not saying that I'm not good at it. I am good at it. I have the belief of yes that I can do these all questions, but then there are really good level questions which I have doubts on. And oh wait, so what could be the main value of it? That's the main thing. Could be any other value. Let's just find that out. Okay, got it. Oh, now I get it. Dang, dude, what the hell? No, wait, let's not do this one. Mm.
बेटा पूरे तैयार हो गया ना बेटा
रुको
हैं
Okay, so yeah, we are getting this value close enough. N minus 3 factorial divided by 56. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by n minus 3. This should be n minus 3 factorial. That should be cut off 56, right? Okay. Even though if you're getting the value, that main thing is that's really confusing me. Is that how am I supposed to exactly get the value of this one? So wait, 6. Like think about it. So there is 2, 6, 1, 1. Then there is 8. Wow, these questions are really good level. The MCQs are a bit confusing. That's what I can say for sure. just saying that I'm gonna get something really big. Yeah, we have to think carefully. We can do this, guys. This should be 336. How am I supposed to solve a cubic equation? I have a doubt based on that. Oh. I might have to break this down then. Yeah, that's the same thing, and that's the main thing I should do next. How am I supposed to do that? How am I gonna do this? Oh, this question is really confusing. Okay, this makes me go stuck for a while. I mean, this paper has some really difficult ones. But then, I thought of something interesting. It could be 8 factorial. Why did I think of that? I can just, 336. Let's start. Well, let's put a trial with this one. 8 by how much? 5 factorial. Okay, got it. N is equal to 8. I got it. N is equal to 8. See, like, I know how I can solve these questions, but then the thing is, you have to, like, be really calm. You shouldn't be creeping out like this. That's the main thing. That's the main formula here. 4 to 8 to the 16. Yep. Got it, guys. It's 8. N is equal to 8. But then, like, how are we, like, supposed to do this then? N minus 3 factorial. Like, it will take some time to normally do this, but then since there were options, I was able to, like, crack the code easily. But then you have to be really careful with this at the same time. Okay, I feel like, oh, there will be 10 tones for each expansion. I mean, there's a question. I got it. What you're trying to say. Okay, guys. So let me just review my overall experience with this. The thing is, if there's a tough question, I can solve it, but then it takes a lot of time, lot of time. But then I found out that I also make some silly mistakes. Okay, these are my limitations. Rest all questions I can do them easily, normally. Okay, I have the capability of doing them nicely. Most of these questions were easy, so I was like able to like do many of them, most of them. But then some of these questions were confusing at the same time, so I have to be really careful with that one. So this shows that yeah, I have to be like very alerted based on that. I think it's trying. It's okay. Never mind. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Laws of motion.
पर अब सर 10 मीटर रस्सी का मास है 10 केजी तो 2 मीटर रस्सी का मास कितना हो जाएगा 2 केजी हम लोग कवर करने वाले हैं चैप्टर का
Wow. I'm just checking my account. Okay, let me come back and see if there's anything going on. Okay, let's check this. Huh? The fact that this guy uploads regularly, oh my god.
If you are watching this video in 2025, you should know this. The world won't be safe.
Alright. I just randomly stumbled upon something. I don't want to waste my time. Okay. Yeah, so anyways, I was saying I was capable of solving tough questions. Okay. But the thing is, there is a high chance I make silly mistakes. I did that same thing. I just did like silly mistakes for 2 questions. So I have to be like checking my maths question paper again and again and again by calculating it like twice or thrice. Then what is the next thing? So most of these questions I'm capable of solving many of these questions. But the thing is, there are some extra questions or additional questions which have to be like, very well aware of. So for the extra questions, I will be doing it at night. Now, let's put all of this aside and let's concentrate on this one maths chapter. It took me a lot of time. Now let's do it. We'll complete this one chapter of maths. Let's not take much of the time. It's gonna take a bit more and it's gonna be a bit lengthy, but we will do it, okay? So let me just first open the NCRT website so that I can see the latest edition, because there is one exercise I have some doubts based on that, like which questions are related and which questions are not. So I have some doubts based on that. Like there's one exercise that I have to do right now. Rest all exercises have been done nicely. Let's start off with NCRT dot NIC dot N. Yeah, okay. Why am I I just wanted to check what is going on, and looks like everything is working fine. Well, what? Oh, okay. I accidentally directly typed the website right into it. Let's say NCERT textbooks. Oopsies. Textbooks. My textbook is old, by the way, so I don't know what all questions may be deleted in that exercise. I mean miscellaneous by exercise. I forgot to mention that the exercise is miscellaneous. I have done many exercises, rest all exercises, but then there are some extra questions I have to go through, and I'll do that at night. But now let's handle this chapter. Let's complete it. Okay. Um, the first thing is that we'll do only some questions, from each and every exercise from this chapter. Why? Well, it's because Oh, I have to enter the subject. Okay. Oh, first I have to enter the class. My bad. Class 11th. Okay. Subject title. I gotta go for mathematics. Search title. Go. Yes. Here we go. So yeah, what I was mentioning here is that yeah, here it is. I like the mathematics and textbooks. Just look at my math textbook in CRE. Look at this. I mean, if you wanna look at it, I will also open it for you. Just let me take this display capture, and yep, here we go. Go to this web page. Here we go. Oh, what's this? I had no idea. Bro, these people are, I think, distracted. I was just checking the group chat. What is going on? There are so many messages popping up, and yep. Tomorrow is exam, guys. I know, I understand. Basically, F1 is today is the last day of the F1. I don't know who will win. There's a lot of controversies going on, so I don't know. I'm not much of a big F1 fan. I don't know much about F1 too. So yeah. What chapter was it? Wait, so straight lines should be in chapter 9 according to me if it is new textbook. If it could have been old textbook, then it would be chapter 10. Yeah, here we go. Straight lines. What is going on? Okay. Only 11 exercise, 11 questions. How many questions are there in the older one? Oh wait, this is permutations, my bad. Yeah, by the way, I forgot to mention the main week chapter for me, I guess, is permutations. I feel I can master straight lines right now, so I don't feel like I will do much, not that bad. I can do much greater and much better in this one. But then yeah, the permutations I might fumble up, so I have to be really careful with that one. That's where I actually did a silly mistake, by the way. I did one silly mistake in the permutations question. So I have to be like really careful. I might have to go back to permutations again. Even though I'm capable of doing it, I'm developing slowly. I'm strengthening my chapters slowly. There's still some improvement needed. The first one. The first exercise has 14 questions, and this has over 11. 3 questions are deleted. Okay, then we have the second exercise. It has 19 questions, and the second exercise does have 20 questions. One question is removed. I don't know which one. I think it was the eighth question. I believe from the old textbook. And no, not the 8th one, I feel. There are 18 questions in the third exercise. And this exercise has 17 questions. One question is removed. And last, miscellaneous exercise. How many questions, by the way? I think it is 24 here. I think it has 23 questions, I believe. Let's check. Where is that? Oh, I like this diagram. What is this? Why do they plot points for this one? I'm confused. Okay. Yeah, I knew it. Okay, wait. 23, I knew it. I knew it. There was one question deleted. I knew it. Like, bro, I never saw one question. I was doing one question, by the way. I was like, wait, what? I never seen this question. Where is this question from? I was like super confused. Now I get it. Oh, I get it now. So there are 23 questions, but still that's a lot. That's a lot, not gonna lie. So we're gonna do it very fast. So we're gonna give less time for our first, second, and third exercise. Then we'll move on. I'll try my best to do it under 30 minutes. Okay, you know what? Let's put a timer for that. Let's see if I can do this under 30 minutes. And then we are gonna do the miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous will do a lot of much whole deal here. I have to give like 2 to 3 hours time for miscellaneous exercise because this exercise very big. Not gonna take much time here, but then let's do it. So I gotta lock in. I will mute my mic and I will start the timer. Just wait a minute. I have to switch on to the pages here. Because I have ticked all questions I have to do for this one right now. So yeah, let's keeping in mind. Let's go. 3, 2. Oh no, wait. I did not even set the timer. Oh, what the hell? I forgot about that. Let's do that. This should be. Yeah, here we go. Let's hit the timer. Yeah. This should be my tasks. Okay, let's start. Okay, 3, 2, which means that we are not able to complete this, but it's fine. I'm in second exercise. After completing the second exercise, we'll move on to third, and then we will do the miscellaneous one. if 1:2 ratio is given, what are we gonna get here exactly? First of all, what we exactly need to know is that what are we exactly finding out? Here we need to find the equation of the line, and we do not have exactly the idea of putting the thing here, but then we are given with the ratios. So what we can do is we need to actually get into some mode here. So what we're gonna do is have this as m is to n is equal to 1:2. Then we have not given with mx2. We should find out the values. So x2 plus, okay, nx1, that is 2x1 divided by 3, and this one I think is supposed to be let's say this is y2 my2 plus 2y1. Easy. Or no, wait, okay, got it. It's 2x2 here, my bad. This isn't given in y1, right? Or not. Okay, why am I doing these kinds of mistakes? It's fine, h comma k, it's fine. We all make mistakes. We are humans. We always make mistakes. We always tend to do this, but still we are not gonna give up. So mx2 x2 plus 2x1 divided by 3, comma, y2 plus 2y1 divided by 3. Okay, 1 plus 2 done. Let's go. H is equal to x2 plus 2x1 divided by 3, and k is given as y2 plus 2y1 by 3. Now these are divided in the ratios as 1/2. Alright, we got that out in our brains. Okay, what else is given? It divides the line segments between the axes in the ratio of 1:2. The ratio of 1:2. So what can we infer from this? There's a hk point, right? And that is giving us this overall value. And what can we infer from this? Or what exactly are we capable of finding? Okay, wait, it says to find the equation of the line. So let's try doing that, okay? What we're going to do is, let's say that this point hk is passing through it. So this will be point slope. Y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. Okay, y minus, we don't know the slope too, right? Yes, we don't know the slope. Y minus h is equal to m into x minus x naught, that is x minus, actually wait, this is k, my bad, and this is x minus h. Yes, here we go. Now we overall got the value of this one such thing here. Y minus y naught is y minus k, m into x minus h. So what else can we do here in order to get the equation of the line? We should somehow get a way in which we are capable of getting this answer. So what else can we do here? Is there any way we can apply the equations here? Or wait, can I do this? X by a plus y by 2. No, but the thing is, oh wait, let's try that, shall we? Okay, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Let's try that. Wait, h by a plus, because apparently our h and k are x and y values, so they should give me something here. Okay, h value was given as x1 x2 plus 2x1 divided by 3a. Similarly, y2 plus 2y1 divided by 3b is equal to 1. So x2 plus 2 x1 plus y2 plus, sorry, this is by a, this is 2y1 by b, this is 1 by 3. Okay, if that is you know, the overall value, then how are we exactly gonna ensure that which one exactly is the answer? This question is tough. The questions I'm doing are not joke. I mean, normally I can solve this question, not gonna lie, I can do it. I have the capability. This question is really good though. First of all, I want to ensure that if it is there in the syllabus, because you know, okay, it's there in the syllabus, then that's fine. I remember solving this question too, that's why. So 19th, HK divides a line segment between the axes in the ratio of 1:2. This is basically, you know, giving us a hint that it could be an intercept form. Yeah. Oh, but we don't exactly know what is the intercept. Wait. Oh. What about M value? What does it have to discuss? Well, can we do this one thing? Can we exclaim that M value is overall K minus 0 divided by H minus 0? Think about it. Don't do that. You're just, please don't do that, or else my camera will get stuck. Okay. Thinking about it. I mean, it's not true that intercepts, right? Y minus K. K by H. That's for sure that we will not get the whole complete equation in terms of numerals, but we'll get it in terms of variables. Hy minus hk is equal to kx minus kh. So this is gonna be kx minus hy plus, no, this gets cut off. Oh no, wait, I might be doing this wrong too at the same time. So it's something very different from what I normally get. So I'm not sure whether I got the answer correct or not. Yeah, I got it. Could be wrong though. Most probably wrong. Like, wait, what? Then yeah, oh yeah, I think this is not correct. M value is literally so different from normally what it was. It should be at a point where this should have 0 at least. If this is H, this is K. Okay, you know what, let's look at the solutions. This question is really good, I appreciate that question. Let's have a glimpse of the question. How are we gonna like exactly mention this out? So alright, x2 is 0. Oh, I was close, I was kind of close, but then oh, I see. I had to concentrate even more. Okay, it's fine. I mean, yeah, the concepts I used were correct. again. But the thing is, I actually made a small mistake in this section formula concept. I don't know where. So concepts I used were correct. They were nicely done, but then I made a small huge mistake in like this one. Oh, I was so close. It's fine. You're not gonna give up. So basically what I meant was x2 is 0, and x1 is basically a certain value which we don't have any idea based on, or we can say it's a because it's x-intercept, whereas y2 is I guess zero sorry y-intercept. Yeah, y2 is y-intercept and y1 is 0. So therefore by getting the value we get 2x1, or let's say 2a. I was really close though. That was fine. That was fine, dude. That was fine. 2a by 3 and k as b by 3. I was really close though. That was great. Okay, not bad. We are doing great, guys. We are making progress. We are strengthening this chapter slowly. We have 2 more questions to go, which are conceptual. Then we are gonna do this. See, these tough questions, I can try solving them. I can do the questions, but the thing is, I make silly mistakes. It's based because of silly mistake. I actually, I guess, got this problem, or else I think I did not notice that. That's what I have done here. So it's fine. Y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. So y minus
ए आराम से बेटे
y naught. What
बेटी
is y
आराम
naught?
से
What is y naught? Let's check. Here, wait. M. What is m, by the way? We gotta see. Oh, okay, no need. Why am I doing that again? So x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So I need to get the value of this. So this is 3h by 2 and b is 3k. So this is 2x by 3h. That's what I know from here. This is y by 2k. 3k is equal to 1. So 2x plus y is equal to 3 divided by h, and here it's k. So let's do this on the other side. We were so close, guys. If we had done this in an orderly manner, then yeah, could have cooked. But it's fine. We were super close. 2k plus 2kx plus 2hy. Oh, it's hy, my bad. Hy is equal to, this is gonna be kh, so 3kh. It's fine, I mean, it's happened, so yeah. Hy minus 3kh, and yeah, you get the answer. Let's do the last 2 questions from this exercise and then we'll move on. I'm wasting a lot of time with this one. So yeah, let's move on to the other exercise after we do these 2 questions. Then we're gonna do the other exercise, which is a bit complex, and at the same time I don't know how many questions I have to do. 1 question here, then 2 question, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7 questions here. Then we are gonna move on to the main miscellaneous. Oh shoot, this is gonna take a lot of time. Guys. It's not gonna be easy at all. I think I have to use this notebook to infer this conceptual questions here. But yeah, we are not gonna give up at all. Okay, we cannot give up at all. That's one thing for sure. Length L, a copper rod. A length is this linear function in an experiment, and then of its temperature. let's say the temperature here is x-axis. Here length is y-axis. Y-axis, okay. 20 and how much is this? Here this is 20. And here this is gonna be 125.134. 125.134. No, 124.942. 124.942. The other one, this is 110 here. And this is gonna be a slight increase because it's not much of an increase here. Slight increase. So 125.134 or 5, I don't know. Here 125.134. Let's just put it here, 125.134 here, and putting this up. Markings will mark here. We also will mark, and we'll do the plotting. So the graph is something like this. The graph is showing very slight increase. Anyways, what we need to do here is to establish the relation between in terms of Celsius. So we're gonna use slope formula for this one, and then we're gonna do this 125.135 minus 124.942 divided by, I have to show this, so 110 minus 20, and if I have to express this in terms of C, then this is the most prominent, I feel. Much of an increase is very less here, but yeah. This is gonna be 70, I feel, no, 80, 90, 90, 90, 125.134, no, 0.134 here, 124.942, 2, this is 13, that is 9, this is 10, 9, 1. This is gonna be not cutting off, I believe, and this will be 1, 0, and this is 0. So 1.192, and we gotta calculate this up. Then we'll get the answer. I feel. Then we'll get the answer. Am I like correct here? Yes, guys, we're correct. Oh, okay. Here they took something else. Like, what they exactly did here was, oh, they expressed it in terms of equations. Is it like necessary to do that? I mean, okay, I'll make the equation for the second one, for this other question, but then why should I make an equation for this when it says I have to express this L in terms of C? This is confusing. Okay. I don't know why, but in the answer it mentions that I should be making, or I should be supposed to be making one like this. And yeah, I got it correct. Can I say that? I mean, yo, like, I got it. It's like 0.002 here, I guess. Is it? No, it should be 0.0002, right? Like, looking at this. See, so how is it gonna be like that? Let's check that out. Yep, 92 2000 2918. Okay, this one. Okay, it's gonna be close to this value, right? Oh, okay. So I might have to divide for this one. 119290. This is gonna be 1 point here, 0 0. Okay, 1 1 0. Okay, it's fine. This one though, yeah, 19 here, and this is gonna be 91 here, and we're gonna put this up 9 11 2 1 0. No, 1 1 1 1. Oh, that's 1. Oh, I started screaming. Okay. That's 1292. Yeah, that's one. No, what? Oh, okay, it's 0. 292 is 292, 292, 292. 93 is 9327. So we're gonna use that. So it's basically 0.013, guys, not 0.02, my bad. 0.013. And this is expressed in terms of what? I think it was expressed in terms of Celsius. Yeah, this is gonna be in degrees. 0.013 degrees of Celsius degrees. And for some reason in the answer they included the equation, which wasn't important, but then they did it for no reason. I don't know why. Like, I mean, I get it for the next question, because the next question may have another value we need to find, and for that we'll apply the equation. So we're gonna substitute the value of the equation through this, but then what? That is confusing. Like, okay, not confusing, but then it's weird. It's not even saying that, yeah, you have to put an equation and make it up. It just says that you have to express it L in terms of C. So yeah. 10.3. Yeah, man, we're close. We're close. Yeah, we're close, guys. We're so close. We're super close. I don't think so. I'm making a mistake here. No, I don't think so. So it's actually in terms of this method here, and you're getting a really big value here. I can understand what's going on here. It's like you're taking y minus y naught is equal to, or no, not y minus y naught, y minus y1, because it's two. The 2 points here, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, and that is gonna be here. This is your x minus x1, and that is overall gonna be 90y. I'm gonna do it a bit fast because I don't want to waste my time here. I'm so sorry, guys. Here it's gonna be some very big value. We're gonna check that out too. What's y1, by the way? y1, it should supposed to be in terms of really big values like 125. Yeah, 124. 942. 124.942. What is y2? Okay, this is 0.013. But then I don't want to put this up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this as 0.1.192. Wait, it says 0.192. I think, did I make a mistake? Yes, I did make one mistake. Oh, that's why. Okay, it's fine. We do not need to give up for that. 0.02. 0.002. Yeah. If it is 0.002, what will be the answer then? Like, what is it gonna be? Like, we need to get the answer for this one, and I'm really tired at the same time. I've been like studying a lot. I mean, I've been doing lots of work out here. Once this chapter is finished, I'll do extra questions, and yeah, I'll wind up. Especially the miscellaneous one. We cannot give up, guys. We can do this. We can do this. We cannot give up. Alright. So let's start off. Okay. We are not gonna give up. No matter what it takes, you just gotta keep up going. It's like with lots of strategies and very lots of methods apply here overall. But why should we give up? That's the main thing, right? Look at them. I'll show you how much I've been practicing overall. Not this much. Okay. Don't need that much. Okay, there's physics here. Is it? This is not physics though. Yeah, this one. That's a lot of pages, guys. That's a lot. Bro, this is a register, by the way, just to remember that. And registers and completing this much page is a lot. So yeah. So there's another question. The 17th one. Let's go. Make a graph. By making the graph here, we're gonna do what? What we're gonna do here, guys? We're gonna make up this. So in order to get the ideas here, what we're gonna do is we will log in. So first of all, 14 rupees per liter. Rupees per liter. What? That's your unit liter here. That's the x-axis, and the other one is y-axis, and that will be overall liters. This is like you're showing the rate, I mean the timings. So for 1 week, by the way, that's for 1 week. Wait a minute. What is it gonna be here? 14 rupees. This is gonna be 14, and this is gonna be overall. No, wait, 980. Okay. Then we have 16 here. Let's put 17 here, one also. In 16 we have 1220. Let's say that 1220 is here, and then let's say that this is lying somewhere here. Plotting the points in, plotting the points here too. And try to make a graph, making the graph, and bam. Okay, the graph is a bit inaccurate, but it's fine because we don't need to concentrate on the graph. We need to concentrate on the points, the coordinates, and how we are going to make the equation. So what should we do here? We need to first of all get the m value. So in order to start that up, we're gonna let's just lose off. So 122 here, 980 divided by, this will be 16 minus 4, and this will be overall, how much is this? I have to check that out. My bad, I did not check that out. 0, 12, 4, and then 11, 3. This is 0. 340 divided by 12, guys, and this is gonna be 170. This is gonna be 6. This is gonna be 35. No, not 35. Is it 35? 5. 35 5s. No, not 35 5s. What is it gonna be? Let's check that out. 2, 8, 16. Okay, that's a big value right there. Already. 2, 5 is a 10. So 85, and this is gonna be 3. 85 by 3 is the slope, and then if you try to make this value here, it's gonna be y minus 1. Oh wait, this is gonna be 980 is equal to 85 by 3 is into x minus x minus what? X minus x naught, right? So x naught, what is x naught here? Where is x naught given? I cannot find it out. Where is x naught? X naught, that is 14. Okay, actually it's x1, my bad. This is 3y minus 980 into 3. 3003 is 24. 3 9s are 27. 27, that is 29. 2940. And again, let's check this out. 3 9s are, 3003 is 24. 3 9s are 27. 29. 2940 is equal to 85x minus 85 into 14. We'll check that out again. 4 5s are 20. 4 8s are 32. 34. 0 1 5 8, and that is 0 9 11. 1190, guys. 1190. I'm not sure whether this is correct, but let's check it out. This is gonna give me some very weird vibes here. but let's check. So I need to find out a value for which one. 85x minus 3y minus 3y. This is gonna be plus 29401190014, and this is gonna be your 3 5. Near my bad. 8 7 1 0. No, 2 1 1 1750. 1750, guys. 1750. That is 1750 is equal to 0. Now we're gonna substitute one value for it. This one, that is 17 minus 3y is equal to here 1750 0. Okay, is equal to 0. Now 85 and 17, let's multiply this up. 7 5 is 35, 7 8 is 40, 56, 5 9 5 1 5 1 8. Multiply this, and that's gonna be 5. This is gonna be overall 14, and this is gonna be 13 14 again. 1445. We're spicing it up. 3y is equal to 1750, and that is gonna be minus here, so minus 3y 1750 1445 here. 10 5 4 0. This is gonna be 6 2, and this is gonna be 0. Whew. What am I doing? Wait. 1750 1445. I might make my silly mistakes again here. It's fine. I'm gonna still resolve that soon. 0. This is gonna be your 3 and 0. Okay, I knew it. I was gonna make silly mistake here. Oh yep, I knew it. Thank God I was safe. Here. Okay, 10 5 5 4 4 negative 0. Now it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. 3 0. So this is gonna be 305 minus, this is gonna be y is equal to 305 by 3. I don't know how much value will it be. It's giving me in decimals. It could not be decimals. Oh, I'm so nervous here, and it's gonna be taking y 17. Whew. I don't know, like, how much. Oh my god, this is so irritating. Oh wait. Oh, did I do something wrong here? I feel like I did. Oh wait, what? Am I supposed to do something here? I think I made a mistake. Yeah, I did. Okay. I mean, I just changed the values of x and y here. It's interchanged, so it's not gonna be affecting that much. Oh, wait a minute. That doesn't look great. At the starting, I made a mistake. I noticed that. At the starting itself. 16 minus 14. Oh my god, my silly mistakes are crazy. I hate it. I hate my silly mistakes. I knew the steps and I knew almost everything, but no, silly mistakes. Those are the main things I have to avoid. It's fine. We're not gonna give up. Who said I'm gonna give up? It's the last day, guys. We're gonna complete the whole exam syllabus. I think the only problem is that I might not be able to cover the whole English syllabus here. But bro, trust me, physics, chemistry, maths and biology, it's over. Only maths one chapter, and this is the last chapter. If this is done, I think everything's done here. I just need to revise again and again. And tomorrow there's one upcoming challenge that we're gonna start off. It looks very weird ending this whole humongous great challenge that I've been doing. Also, this is my first challenge. I started it off at day 1. Now we are at like day 60. There were some small problems, small gaps, and yeah, I had faced a lot. But who said that I will give up? I ain't. So same here. We are not gonna give up. We are gonna move on. Full efforts in, and we're gonna fully lock in. I feel like there will be a guaranteed miscellaneous question, so I have to be really careful with that one. I feel like I may make small mistakes in this one. That's all the only thing though. The rest all I think I can do the extra questions. The only weak parts of my maths exam here is miscellaneous exercise of this one chapter, that is straight lines, and I might not be able to solve the permutations questions properly. I mean, could be making some small mistakes, or I might make a very big blunders. But then overall, many parts or most of these parts, almost every part is covered up. I have strengthened them up. I can say that more than 85% I can do the exam very well. But I have to make my rest of the 15% greater. I have to make it much better. Yeah, those 15% is basically including permutations and combinations, tough questions, which has a very low chance to come, I feel, because I checked the previous paper. They added very less questions, even though there was a big weightage for this one though. That was a bit weird moment. But this time it's gonna be like having one chapter included, and this chapter has 10 marks. So yeah, no joke, we gotta like be really careful. We cannot mess this up. So yeah, I mean, we should be really careful here, guys. No way, we cannot mess this up. Okay. Overall, I can solve many questions, easy questions from straight lines, but I'm doing the tough questions because those are the parts where I get stuck. That's why I ticked only the tough questions, and I'm doing them up. Okay, rest all questions, trust me, I can do it. But the miscellaneous exercise, yeah, that's the only exercise. If I master that, only permutations and combinations will be the thing that will make me suffer a lot. Also, yeah, I forgot to mention there is another percentage of work, extra questions of the each and every chapter. If I go through that, then it is much better. It will help me a lot because it will polish my concepts. But it's, most of the time it's optional, but if you do that, it will literally help me get to 95% of math syllabus coverage mastery. But then, yeah, I have to like somehow polish my concepts again. That's why I'm doing straight lines. Then we'll move on to doing some more practice with extra questions, or I can go through those if I have very less time. I don't know whether I can get enough time. It's already 8 o'clock. I think it's 8:30 now. It's gonna hit 8:30 soon. I'm a bit tired, but it's fine. Let's do it. I already messed up. I mean, I swear, dude, I messed up this one. I hope I don't make these mistakes in exams. Like, that's the main big problem, dude. If I mess this up, then it's like getting all the question answer wrong. Trust me, like, I have a really weird brain. I mean, I'm not sure. I cannot say weird brain, but bro, there was one time where I was doing my first time examination. I actually completed the exam very early at like somewhere around 2 hours. The time duration is 3 hours, by the way. And around that time, I thought, like, you know what, let's just check. I literally calculated lots of questions. And guess what? Some of these questions were still wrong because of my silly mistakes. I was like furious. Like, dude, mainly because of these silly mistakes, I lose my marks. Most of the time, I can get a lot of really good marks. But then I was like, you know what, let's not concentrate on marks. Let's concentrate on gaining more and more knowledge. That's why it's like, you're gambling for it. So yeah, I don't want to go for it. Yeah, never mind. I wanna like concentrate here, guys. Wait a minute. This is gonna be 980, and this is gonna be x minus 14. This is gonna be a bit easier. It's not that complex. 980 1820x. This is, how much is this? 120 into 14. 4 to 0 is 0, 4 to the 8, 4 1 is 4. 1 0 is a 0, 1 to the 2, 1 is a 1. 0 8 6 1 6 8 0. Okay, looks like we are doing it, guys. We are gonna take this 1680, subtract it with 980, and we are supposed to be getting here 0 0. Then 16 here 0 500. Oh, I feel like I'm messing it up already, but then let's just check. Minus y. Okay, I think I'm not. Maybe not. Let's see. Oh, what is going on? Oh. Let's see. I'm not. I feel like I'm messing up, but then no, I'm not. I'm not sure, guys. I could not maybe do not mess up. Ooh. Oh, yeah, we can do it. This is gonna be 120, 17 minus 500 minus 5. Uh-oh. Why does it feel like I'm messing up? Oh no, I'm not. I'm not, by the way. I have guts. 8 2 1 4 10 2 0 4 0. Uh-oh, I don't know, man. Man, I don't know. I have so many doubts going on. Oh. Man, just because of my silly mistakes in calculations? Like, dude, I get so many self-doubt from this. I generate a lot of self-doubt in just one day, dude. Okay. 1540. Oh no, wait, it's 1340. Okay, so maybe I made some very small mistakes here. It's fine. Let's do that again. Yeah, it should be 13. Okay, I got it as 1540. It should be 130 1340. But yeah, I knew it. There is gonna be some small mess ups here. I mean, not big mess up though. Wasn't a big one. If I could check it out once again. I have to like check each and every question, dude, after I complete the exam as soon as possible. 7 0 0 7 2 14 7 1 7 8. Yep. 1 0 0 1 2 2 1 1. Maybe I messed up in the equation. That's what I did here, I guess. That's why. But yeah, I think we did the second exercise. Let's move on to the third one. We can do this. Once this is done, we're gonna do miscellaneous. It feels like, yeah, I'm having a lot of self-doubt. That's how it feels whenever you're doing tough questions. But yeah, you should keep going. It's the thing. That's the main key role here. I'm not depressed because, of course, these are tough questions and I'm trying. And not gonna lie, I am doing a bit great here. I'm making some progress, but then these goofy, silly mistakes are destroying my progress at the same time. That's what it makes me like go crazy. Rest all, it's fine. I'm doing crazy. I'm doing great. I mean, yeah, of course. I also get sometimes depressed with the with continuous answer being wrong, but you know, we should not give up whenever we feel like that. So yeah, we just need to continue. Whew. Let's start. What's the other question? Exercise. Third exercise. Let's go. I'm coming. Yeah, let's go. We're gonna do this. We cannot give up. Bro, I don't like the way that this textbook is so old and it has almost lost its full covering. Like, look at the textbook, dude. I don't like the way it is, like, so old. Look, if you look at my new bio textbook, it's a bit, teared up on the back side, but then it looks really good. Not gonna lie, alhamdulillah, it looks really good. But I feel bad for my maths textbook. It's like really old, and it's like in very bad condition. Okay, what should I do here? Into slope intercept form and find their slopes. Okay, so it's like y is equal to mx plus c. This is 0 plus mx plus c. That's what you're trying to do. 0 plus mx plus c, that's it. But if you're trying to find out the value for this one, it's gonna be like 6x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 here. So what we can do here is that we will take this 6x minus 5 here. We're gonna take this minus 3y, then take this y here, then 6x minus 3 here, and this is gonna be like 5 by 3. And that's how we get it. Yeah, that's how we get it. Find their slopes and y-intercepts. Okay. Y-intercept here is 5 by 3. Here, what's the slope intercept? Well, it should be C actually, because it's not much given. It's not in detail. But 0 is all. If y is equal to 0, then there is a specific amount of value for x, and for m it's gonna be 0. So that is, say, y-intercept is also 0. Yeah, y-intercept is also 0 according to me. Why? Because m, look at the m, dude, could be 0 too, right? Or I could be wrong at the same time. What if it is wrong? But then, it's like 0 minus 0. Just think about it. Let's say y is equal to a. Sorry, y is equal to b. Whenever we say that, oh, okay, wait, never mind. It is 0. M is equal to 0. Because y is equal to b is basically an equation for the line being parallel to x-axis. That's why. So, never mind. I was correct. I thought I was being wrong for a second here, but no, I'm correct. Let's go. We did it. So it's like 0, and then it's like 0x plus c. That is c is equal to 0. It's fine. Okay, I think I'm wasting time. I shouldn't be doing that. 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. What should I do here? Reduce the following equations into intercept form and find their intercepts on the axis. Okay, this is also easy. Like, see, look at this, dude. I actually picked up some easy questions just to test out by myself, and I can do these questions so easily. Like, I know that I'm capable of it, dude. I just know that I can do it. 0x plus 3y is equal to minus 2. So it's gonna be like 0x by minus 2 plus 3y by minus 2. Oh, wait. Is there something? Oh, okay. Oh. This is 1. I might have to look into the notebook just to confirm the answers at the same time, right? Yeah. C intercept is 0. Where's the question answer? It's not given here, but yeah, I got it. That's easy, dude. That's easy. I mean, you can get the answer so easily. That's the hack. Yeah. Oh. Oh, x intercept. A should be -2 according to me, and B should be 3 to -2 by 3. Is it? Oh, you're saying that? Oh, yeah, it could be 0. No, it cannot be 0. It's not even possible. Like, we gotta apply the rules nicely. Like, or else you know what? Let's look for it. Let's confirm. Why should we like think about it, right? Exercise 10.3, second question answer. Exercise 10.3. I know I'm a big weird person doing maths and NCRT questions, but trust me, dude. NCRT is important for my school exam, even though it's not there for G. Okay, what am I supposed to do for this one? Where's the question though? Second one. What? Whoa, where is that? Bro, they literally. Is that for real? Oh, wait, what? What? And no intercept with x-axis. I knew there was something going on here. There was something fishy. Oh, yeah, there is something fishy. Okay, so there is no intercept for x-axis. That's something new we learned here. Thank God I chose this question. Never mind. Let's move on to that. Nx minus by is equal to 4. What should I do here? Reduce the following versions into normal form. Wait, normal form? Oh, wait. I don't think so. This question is there. Let's look at this. We didn't learn normal form. This is a deleted topic, I feel. Let's look at the new one. Yes, guys, it's not there. This is deleted. So you don't need to go through this question. It's fine. Find the distance of the point from the line to okay, I knew it. Not gonna lie, I chose some easy questions here. I don't know why I did that. This is just to test whether I have self-doubt or for real or not. I mean, I have self-doubt, that's for sure, but I can do easy questions. Like, I'm saying this not because I'm overconfident, but I have practiced straight lines previously for once. Well, let me just check YouTube what's going on, if there is any chat taking place, so that I can answer your chats. Sometimes I don't go through your chats. I'm really focused. I'm really focused right now. See, this does not mean that wait. That you're saying that really focused, and then you're saying like, bro, why are you checking the chat and why are you talking a lot? Well, that's my kind of habit. I'm kind of a person who usually does this, you know. Oh. Wow, this looks good. Okay. I was just checking the upcoming thumbnail. Oh, yep. Okay. Okay, I was just checking. Oh, what is this? Yo, oh. Wait. There are like many people chatting off, like. You know what, let's talk to them for a while. I don't know, they're feeling super stressed. I think they didn't read. Okay, that's very weird. Okay, yeah. So let's think about it. 10 marks. There's a high chance that we get a lot of questions from straight lines. So technically we need to practice more of these questions. I'm a bit, oh, what is this? Oh my god. What happened to this one? So technically, a bit nervous for straight lines actually, because it has a lot of weightage. So there's high chance that it has a lot of questions, right? And I'm not sure what kind of questions will come. I feel like there's a high chance for, yeah, there's a really high chance for this straight lines. This question. Oh, let's go. All the best. Let's just tell them that, and then we're gonna go. Everyone is so concentrated here. That's what I can say. Well, looks like it's the wrong time to end the stream. Well, I have to do that. So yeah, bye guys. Well, I'm not sure whether I'll come back live again. I have to be super focused, and the stress is building up. Overall, I will complete this. I'm not gonna give up. I will do it. Then I'll practice some normal questions from this chapter. We can do this, guys. We cannot give up at all. We cannot give up. We are gonna do this. Alright? I have a strong belief upon myself because I have solved these exercises previously. And from my perspective, I got to know that I can do much better. So, yeah, trust me. I've been like studying a lot. To this, we come to the end of our full syllabus completion challenge. Don't worry, I'll complete this off cam. And tomorrow there's another challenge that will start, and the challenge name is Super 21 Challenge. Super 21 Challenge. I'll start off with day 8 actually. Not gonna lie, because 1 week has already passed by for Super 21 Challenge. I did not mention that, and I will be adding the title of Super 21 Challenge in the previous live streams of these challenges, of this challenge. This challenge has been really good. Like, I've been really, like, I don't know how to express this up. I'm really hyped up. I mean, can we do this? Can I do this? Can I not do that? I can do it. You can do it too. I have my own belief. Even I get sometimes the self-doubt that can I do these questions? I can do these questions, because at a certain moment I was like, wait, what? I cannot do these questions. Oh, these questions are really tough. Oh my god. Oh. Well, do not give up. Okay? Miscellaneous exercise, I have to do that for sure, because I feel like there's a guaranteed one question from miscellaneous exercise. Then I will do one question each. I'm gonna complete this third exercise, and I will move on to the miscellaneous exercise. I'm not sure whether I can do every one of them, but yeah, I'll try my best. Does not mean that I have to end it from here, right? Whoa, yeah, cannot end it. We have to try and try and try. We can do this. This is gonna be not at all easy. I mean, I can complete the miscellaneous exercise right now. I mean, I have plenty of time. But then I don't know whether I have enough time for me to complete the extra questions, right? Because I want to polish my concepts once again. So, yeah. And I thank God that this challenge went nicely, a bit successful. Why it's a bit successful, why not fully successful? Because I wasn't able to complete the full English syllabus. I should have concentrated on English more at the same time while I was doing this. I didn't plan much for English too. Those were my big drawbacks. But I really did complete or tried my best to do this 2-month syllabus completion challenge. I have studied off cam most of the time. Also, if you don't know, I study a lot. Okay, I can just say that. And by the means of studying a lot is that I also do lots of those wait, I don't know, my cam got stuck. Let's get this here, and then yep, here we go. Yep. So yep, I think it's time, guys. Thank you for 84 subscribers. Thank you for this really amazing journey. I've met a lot of people, and this is not the end of the journey. It's just the beginning, because there is a lot of challenges coming up. I'll make more videos after this challenge. We are gonna do lots of stuff. This is just the beginning, guys. This is like, putting a lot of efforts. Oh my god, I don't know, man. I feel like not ending this stream, talking more and more, but then sadly I have to go now because it's exam time. I have to like fully lock in. But for a Super 21 challenge though, what's the main goal? To complete the syllabus before even going to the exam. And I think I will satisfy this completion of the syllabus by doing this full thingy. I mean, not full thingy because not much time is left, but I can do it. But I'm also stressed out a bit, I gotta go through the concepts of straight lines a bit again so that I don't mess up. I'll take a rapid revision of straight lines, then I will continue, okay? So yep, guys, bye. Thank you for this amazing journey again. I just feel like not leaving this, but then I gotta do it. It's time. Why am I closing the book? I can study more. But I gotta go because I have to give this laptop now. Okay? This is not the end. This is the starting. And with this, we come to the end of 2 months syllabus completion challenge.